Hello. So guys, I'm sorry, I need to take this off. So well guys, yeah, as you can really tell, this is my place of work, and this is where normally I come and get the earnings. So it would be very nice if I had to take you through, but all the other rooms are they are busy with the clients, and it's like it has to be with a very quiet environment. Some people are having massages. So this is just the count, a little bit of it, and yeah, so next time maybe hopefully I might show you a little more when I'm doing on the facial. And guys, I'm really looking forward to take you through this journey. I just want you guys to learn, save a lot of money, and what you have to do is just to keep following me, like, and just leave a comment. So today I just would like to show you a little bit on how I would really start to take good care of the feet, just in case when someone comes in, just giving you a small little bit of the view. The client, maybe let me say my friend or my client would just come, and then I will just sit and they will have a foot bath for about 10 to, yeah, just about 5 to 10 minutes, and then the feet will soak. And when the feet soaks, that means I'll have to put them out from the feet, from the foot bath, and then have a small towel as you're gonna be seeing, and then I will disinfect the feet, and then just please, let's keep watching. Just gonna take you through on how I do the pedicure here with my clients. First of all, I'm going to be putting the base on top of the nail. Reason being that before you do any of the colors on top of the nails, you always have to make sure that the nail is being protected, that the color doesn't go inside the feet, inside the nail. Because like, let me say, if you have like red colors, those are very strong colors, they really make they stain on top of the nail, and sometimes they really go inside the nail, which you don't want. You don't want your nails to get spoiled. So once that is done, my client here chose to have this wonderful color, which is color pink, which I already have right over here. And I'm going to start by applying on the lac. So guys, what's lac in English? Look, yeah, beautiful. Will ich auch mit Licht? Nee, okay. So you can really see this is all done. You have just to be very careful. Then I will start with the next fit. You don't need too much of the product. Once that is, you get the first brush. I didn't get it right out very well, so I need to scoop out. Second time. So guys, I'm just doing something that I'm loving. I love working with people. I love bringing a smile on people's faces. Yeah, that's my passion. talking much, as you can all see what I'm doing. That's why I'm a bit quiet, because it really needs some concentration, full concentration. I'll wait for about a couple of minutes, and then I'll just put on the top lac and we'll all be good to go. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching. You can really see my client's piece. What do you think of the color? Is it beautiful? I think so. I love the color and she loves the color. So I'll use this as the top lac. I'll start with a small one because the other one I used a little bit of a bigger layer, which is not yet so dry. So I'm just gonna put the top lac, the topping, as the last on the nail. I'm also going to the second one. So guys, I really appreciate you so much for watching. I really appreciate you for following me on this journey, and I'll be bringing you so many different things on my channel. What you have to do, just keep following, share, like, and leave a comment below, and we will be meeting us in most of my pictures. Again, Raquel is my name, and so that's all what I had to take you through, the whole of this process. Again, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this type of video of Raquel. Bye guys.